Welcome to Touring Globe, the ultimate guide to Caribbean islands, travel, visa, attractions, culture, food, and costs. The Caribbean islands are a treasure trove of tropical beauty, cultural diversity, and unforgettable experiences. With their white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant local cultures, these islands are perfect for anyone seeking sun, sea, and adventure. Each island in the Caribbean has its unique charm. Whether you're drawn to the reggae beats of Jamaica, the underwater wonders of the Bahamas, or the luxury retreats of St. Lucia, the Caribbean has something for every type of traveler. In this guide, we will explore 10 of the most popular Caribbean islands, delving into everything from visa requirements and top attractions to cultural highlights, local cuisine, and estimated costs to help you plan an unforgettable vacation. These islands, scattered across the Caribbean Sea, beckon visitors with their laid-back vibe, warm climate, and endless activities, from hiking volcanoes and exploring coral reefs to sipping rum cocktails on the beach. Whether you're seeking luxury, adventure, history, or relaxation, the Caribbean offers it all in spades. 1. Jamaica. Jamaica, one of the largest islands in the Caribbean, is famous for its lush landscapes, pristine beaches, and rich culture that pulses with music and vibrant traditions. From reggae beats to Rastafarian heritage, this island is as diverse in its culture as it is in its topography, which includes everything from beaches to mountains, rivers, and rainforests. Visitors are captivated by Jamaica's warmth, not just from the tropical climate, but also from the locals, known for their welcoming and lively spirit. Visa requirements. For U.S. citizens, no visa required for stays up to 90 days. For international travelers, citizens from many countries do not need a visa for stays of up to 30 or 90 days. Always check with the Jamaican consulate for specific details based on your nationality. Key attractions. Dunn's River Falls. Located in Ocho Rios, this famous waterfall lets you climb its natural rock formations. The cascading falls and beautiful surroundings make it a top spot for tourists and adventure seekers alike. Blue Mountains. Renowned for its world-famous coffee, the Blue Mountains provide excellent opportunities for hiking and birdwatching. The scenery is breathtaking, with mist-covered peaks and cool, fresh air. Negril 7 Mile Beach, a stunning stretch of white sand and crystal-clear waters. Known for its sunsets and laid-back atmosphere, it's ideal for those looking to relax or explore the underwater world through snorkeling and scuba diving. Bob Marley Museum. Located in Kingston, this museum is a tribute to the life and legacy of the legendary reggae musician. The museum houses Marley's memorabilia and provides an insight into the Rastafarian culture. Rick's Cafe. A cliffside bar in Negril where thrill seekers can dive off the cliffs while onlookers enjoy the stunning sunset views. Culture. Jamaica's culture is a captivating mix of African, European, and indigenous influences. The island is the birthplace of reggae music and the Rastafarian movement, making music, dance, and spirituality integral parts of its identity. Festivals like Reggae Sumfest, Jamaica Carnival, and Jamaica Independence Day are huge celebrations of the island's vibrant culture. Locals speak Patois, a Creole language, alongside English, giving you a taste of their unique linguistic heritage. Cuisine. Jerk chicken. A fiery, smoky dish seasoned with allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, and pimento, often served with rice and peas. Ackee and saltfish. Jamaica's national dish, a savory combination of ackee, a tropical fruit, and salted cod, often served with boiled dumplings or breadfruit. Curry goat. A flavorful, tender curry dish, usually slow-cooked to perfection. Patties. Flaky pastries filled with spicy meat, seafood, or vegetables, perfect for a quick snack on the go. Escovitch fish. Fried fish served with a tangy sauce made from vinegar, onions, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Estimated cost. Accommodation. Ranges from $80 per night for budget guest houses to $500 or more per night for luxury resorts. Meals. $10 to $50 per meal, depending on whether you're eating at a local jerk stand or a fine dining restaurant. Activities. Entry to tourist sites like Dunn's River Falls, hiking tours in the Blue Mountains, and guided trips to the Bob Marley Museum range from $20 to $100 depending on the experience. 2. Barbados. Barbados is the easternmost island in the Caribbean and is known for its postcard-perfect beaches, British colonial charm, and vibrant Bajan culture. This coral island boasts some of the best surf spots in the Caribbean and a rich history dating back to its sugar plantation days. Barbados combines luxury and natural beauty with warm hospitality, making it a favorite among honeymooners, families, and solo travelers alike. Visa requirements. For U.S. citizens, no visa required for stays up to 6 months. For international travelers, citizens from many countries can visit visa-free for stays of up to 90 days. It's advisable to confirm with local consulates depending on your nationality. Key attractions. Bathsheba Beach. Known for its rugged beauty and large rock formations, this is a top surfing destination. The beach is less about swimming and more about its striking scenery and powerful waves. Harrison's Cave. A crystallized limestone cavern filled with stalagmites, stalactites, and underground streams. The tram tour takes you through stunning formations deep below the island. St. Nicholas Abbey. A historic sugar plantation house dating back to the 1600s. Visitors can tour the house, see the distillery, and taste rum crafted in the traditional Barbadian way. Oyston's Fish Fry. Every Friday night, Oyston's transforms into a lively outdoor fish fry, where locals and visitors mingle over fresh seafood, music, and dancing. The Crane Beach. Known for its stunning pink-hued sands and luxurious surroundings, this beach is a must-visit for sunbathers and swimmers alike. Culture. Barbados has a strong cultural heritage that combines African, British, and Caribbean influences. The island's people, known as Bajans, are proud of their history and traditions. Barbados is famous for its festivals, particularly Crop Over, a harvest festival marking the end of the sugarcane season with parades, music, and elaborate costumes. Cricket is a national passion, and you'll find many locals enjoying a match throughout the year. Cuisine. Flying fish and su-su. The national dish, consisting of steamed or fried flying fish served with a cornmeal and okra-based side. Macaroni pie. A popular baked pasta dish made with cheese, mustard, and spices. Pepper pot. A rich stew made with beef, pork, and flavorful seasonings, typically enjoyed during the holiday season. Pudding and souse. A traditional Barbadian dish featuring pickled pork with sweet potato pudding. Fish cakes. Deep-fried balls of salted cod mixed with spices and herbs, often served with a spicy dipping sauce. Estimated cost. Accommodation. Expect to spend between $100 to $600 per night, depending on whether you stay at a local guest house or a 5-star resort. Meals. $15 to $70 per meal. Street food and casual dining are more affordable, while high-end restaurants in areas like St. Lawrence Gap will cost more. Activities. Tours, cave exploration, and water sports activities range from $25 to $100 per person, depending on the experience. 3. St. Lucia. St. Lucia is one of the most scenic islands in the Caribbean, known for its dramatic landscapes, volcanic beaches, and luxurious resorts. The island's crown jewels are the twin volcanic spires known as the Pitons, which rise dramatically from the sea and create one of the most breathtaking backdrops in the region. St. Lucia is perfect for honeymooners, adventurers, and nature lovers, offering a range of activities from hiking to spa retreats and fine dining. Visa requirements. For U.S. citizens, no visa required for stays up to 6 weeks. For international travelers, visa-free for many nationalities, including European Union countries, for up to 6 weeks. Check with St. Lucia's consulate for specific visa requirements. Key attractions. The Pitons. These towering volcanic mountains, Gros Piton and Petit Piton, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can hike Gros Piton for panoramic views, or admire the iconic spires from the beach. Sulphur Springs. Known as the world's only drive-in volcano, this geothermal area offers therapeutic mud baths in mineral-rich waters. Marigot Bay. A stunning natural harbor surrounded by lush hills. It's a great spot for sailing, and it's home to some of the island's finest restaurants and hotels. Pigeon Island National Park. A beautiful park with hiking trails, historic forts, and 2 lovely beaches. You can explore the remains of a British naval fort and take in views of neighboring Martinique. Anse Chastanet Beach. A popular beach for snorkeling and diving, thanks to its rich coral reefs and clear waters. Culture. St. Lucia's culture is a vibrant mix of African, French, and British influences. The island is known for its annual St. Lucia Jazz Festival, which draws international performers and music lovers alike. Carnival is another huge celebration, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and colorful costumes. The Creole language, spoken alongside English, is a testament to St. Lucia's deep French Creole roots. Cuisine. Green fig and saltfish, the national dish of St. Lucia, featuring unripe bananas cooked with salted cod, onions, and peppers. Callaloo soup, a thick soup made from local greens, typically callaloo, mixed with herbs and spices. Bouillon, a hearty stew made from meat, seafood, and dumplings, flavored with local herbs. Across, crispy, fried fish fritters often served as a snack or appetizer. Breadfruit and plantains, staple starches served with fish or meat, particularly at local roadside stands. Estimated cost. Accommodation. Expect to pay between $150 to $800 per night, depending on whether you stay in a boutique hotel or an all-inclusive luxury resort. Meals. $20 to $75 per meal, with high-end dining available at resort restaurants and more affordable options at local eateries. Activities. Excursions like hiking the Pitons, visiting sulfur springs, or diving at Anse Chastanet can cost anywhere from $30 to $150, depending on the tour and activity. 4. The Bahamas. The Bahamas, an archipelago consisting of over 700 islands, is a paradise for water lovers, beach enthusiasts, and adventurers. Each island has its unique charm, from the bustling streets of Nassau to the secluded beaches of the Exumas. The Bahamas is known for its crystal clear waters, world-class snorkeling and diving, and lively festivals such as Junkanoo. Whether you want to swim with pigs, explore underwater caves, or relax on a private island, the Bahamas offers a perfect tropical escape. Visa requirements. For U.S. citizens, no visa required for stays up to 8 months. For international travelers, citizens from many countries can enter visa-free for stays of up to 3 months. Always confirm with the Bahamian consulate. Key attractions. Atlantis Paradise Island, a massive resort that includes a water park, marine exhibits, casinos, and luxury accommodations. It's a family-friendly paradise offering endless entertainment options. Blue Hole National Park. This national park is home to the famous blue holes, underwater sinkholes that are perfect for diving and snorkeling. Exuma Cays. Known for their stunning natural beauty and crystal clear waters, these islands are home to the famous swimming pigs. Take a boat tour to see them, as well as visit pristine beaches and dive spots. Lucayan National Park. Explore one of the longest underwater cave systems in the world, combined with mangroves, beaches, and hiking trails. Junkanoo Festival. A traditional Bahamian street parade held on Boxing Day and New Year's Day, where participants wear elaborate costumes and dance to rhythmic music. Culture. The Bahamas has a strong African heritage combined with British colonial influences, which is reflected in its vibrant music and dance traditions. The island's national festival, Junkanoo, is a colorful celebration of music, dance, and costume design, deeply rooted in African traditions. Bahamian people are known for their friendliness, love for music, and relaxed island lifestyle. Cuisine. Conch salad. A fresh and tangy dish made from raw conch, lime juice, peppers, and onions. Cracked conch. Deep-fried conch served with rice, peas, or fries. Bahamian rock lobster. Sweet, succulent lobster served grilled, fried, or in stews. Johnny cakes. A type of bread, often served with seafood or stews. Peas and rice. A staple dish made with pigeon peas and flavored with onions, peppers, and coconut milk. Estimated cost. Accommodation. Ranges from $150 per night for mid-range hotels to over $1,000 per night for luxury resorts and private villas. Meals. Expect to spend $15 100 Tongan Pauingas per meal, depending on whether you dine at a local eatery or an upscale resort. Activities. Diving, fishing, and boat tours range from $50 to $300 per person, depending on the experience and destination. 5. Aruba. Aruba is often referred to as one happy island, and for good reason. Located in the southern Caribbean near the coast of Venezuela, Aruba enjoys an arid climate, making it a perfect year-round destination with little chance of rain. The island is known for its pristine white sand beaches, lively nightlife, and unique desert landscapes dotted with cacti and rock formations. Aruba's mix of Dutch and Caribbean culture makes it a distinctive and welcoming destination for all types of travelers. Visa requirements. For U.S. citizens, no visa required for stays up to 30 days. For international travelers, visa-free access for many nationalities for up to 30 days. Key attractions. Eagle Beach. Consistently ranked as one of the best beaches in the world, this stretch of white sand and calm, clear waters is perfect for relaxation, swimming, and water sports. Arikok National Park. Covering nearly 20% of the island, this national park is home to rugged desert landscapes, caves with ancient Arawak drawings, and the natural pool, Conchi. California Lighthouse. Offering stunning panoramic views of Aruba's coastline, the California Lighthouse is a must-visit spot for sunset lovers. Palm Beach. Lined with luxury resorts, Palm Beach is ideal for water sports, fine dining, and lively beach bars. Oranjestad. Aruba's capital is a colorful blend of Dutch colonial architecture, upscale shopping, and vibrant nightlife. Culture. Aruba is a melting pot of cultures, with Dutch influences blending with Caribbean and South American traditions. Locals, known as Arubans, are welcoming and proud of their multicultural heritage. The island celebrates a variety of festivals, including Carnival, which features colorful parades, music, and dancing. English, Dutch, Spanish, and Papiamento are all spoken on the island, adding to its linguistic richness. Cuisine. Keshiyina. A traditional dish made from melted Edam cheese stuffed with spiced meat or chicken. Funchi. A cornmeal-based side dish similar to polenta, often served with stews or seafood. Pasteki. Fried pastries filled with cheese, meat, or seafood, similar to empanadas. Cabrito Stoba. A hearty stew made from goat meat, slow-cooked with spices and vegetables. Seafood platter. Aruba is famous for its fresh seafood, with dishes like grilled grouper, lobster, and red snapper. Estimated cost. Accommodation. Prices range from $150 to $800 per night depending on whether you stay in a local hotel, a beach resort, or a high-end all-inclusive. Meals. Dining costs range from $15 to $80 per meal, with casual dining options available in local towns and upscale dining at beachfront resorts. Activities. Water sports, desert tours, and visits to Arikok National Park range from $40 to $150 per person, depending on the tour and activity. Each of these islands offers a unique mix of relaxation, adventure, culture, and luxury, ensuring that travelers will find something to suit their vacation style. The Caribbean's diversity of attractions, from serene beaches and hiking trails to vibrant festivals and local delicacies, guarantees an unforgettable trip. With a little planning, you can tailor your Caribbean getaway to be as laid-back or adventurous as you desire. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.